Lots of people asking us if the GoPro Max Lens Mod 2.0 is worth the investment. And I have to say yes, and I'll show you why. It's a thicker lens that's going to give you 36% more of a field of view, up to 177 degrees. And I'll show you a couple of examples. So you just remove it, you just screw it off. I didn't know these things came off. You just screw it off counterclockwise and screw the other one back on, and you are good to go. Put it somewhere in case you want to use it again in the future. And there it is. It's that simple. And then you tell the GoPro to use Max Lens Mod mode, so it knows that that lens is on there. Otherwise, it looks a little weird. So here's the Max Mode 2.0 lens, just on a typical bright, sunny landscape. And then we shot it without it. And you could clearly see that the field of view has expanded dramatically. So if you're out doing scenery, if you're in one of those once-in-a-lifetime locations, then you'll be able to catch a lot more with your GoPro, especially if you're in selfie mode. Here's the Max Mode Indoors 2.0. What was interesting is I got some flicker on the non-Max Mode lens, so that was interesting. And you could really shake this thing around because the Max Hyper Smooth, I did the same thing out here, and it's amazing how stable it keeps the shot despite how crazy you can shake this thing. I'd say, yeah, it's worth the investment, and you could probably see for yourself.